Take a look at this channel, 82,000 subscribers. This video has been uploaded a month ago and it's brought in over 34 million views. All AI generated, and production takes 30 minutes a day. And most people trying this format never break 10,000 views. And the reason behind that is because the videos that hit aren't the ones with the most realistic textures or the cleanest renders. They're the ones where the progression feels inevitable, where each scene builds naturally into the next without breaking continuity. And in this video, we're going to recreate the entire workflow that is bringing channels millions of views. We're going through the entire process: ideation, image generation, video animation, editing, and sound. By the end, you'll see why most attempts at this format break visual continuity by scene 3, and how this workflow actually holds together. Let's get into it. The first step is video ideation. But before building anything inside ChatGPT, there's something that changes the entire output quality, and it's not the prompt itself. It's the context underneath it. In order to receive the best output from ChatGPT, you need to give a clear intention and understanding of what you need. For instance, let's say you free prompted ChatGPT with "Give me a time-lapse video idea." The output will be generic, something like "modern house build in city." But if you design a prompt by layering information and detail, it will also reflect in your output. The difference isn't creativity, it's specificity. For construction time-lapse videos, the contextual input needs to include the area and land type the building sits on, the architectural style, the layout structure, and additional design elements like courtyards, pools, or driveways. Without that layer, the output is generic. With it, the output reflects actual design decisions. So here's the process we'll follow to create our video ideation prompt. Describe inside ChatGPT that you're building an ideation prompt, then insert the expectations you want the prompt to cover: land type, architectural style, layout, additional elements. Once the ideation prompt is built, insert it back into ChatGPT alongside how many video ideas you want generated. The list comes back structured around the context you provided with unique video ideas, not random construction concepts. Now that we have our video idea locked, the visuals need to get built. But before generating any images, the idea to image prompting needs to be constructed first. Here's what most people get wrong at this stage. They treat each scene as independent, and that's exactly what breaks continuity. The way this works is the scenes need to be sequenced as a progression, where scene 1 is minimal construction, and scene 8 is the final build, and everything in between escalates naturally. For 60-second videos, 8 scenes work, each around 8 seconds in duration when animated. So inside ChatGPT, describe the structure of visuals you want Flow's Nano Banana to produce. The output expectation: scene 1 shows the land with minimal or no construction. Scene 8 shows everything completed. The 6 scenes between need realistic but dramatic progression: foundation laid, walls rising, roof installed, finishes applied. Then add a placeholder where the video topic and information gets inserted. Once the idea to image prompt is built, insert it back into ChatGPT alongside the video idea you're going with. The output you should get are 8 scene image prompts sequenced for natural progression. Now the images get generated. Head over to Flow, select Nano Banana as the generation model, set the aspect ratio to portrait 9:16, and start generating scene by scene. This is the part where most people copying this format lose visual consistency, and it's subtle enough that they don't realize what broke. After generating scene 1, upload that image as reference material before generating scene 2. Then upload scene 2 as reference before generating scene 3. That reference chain is what maintains environmental consistency. Same lighting direction, same camera angle, same surrounding landscape. Without it, the AI shifts perspective between scenes and the progression feels disjointed. Different sky color, different terrain angle, different building proportions. With it, the build feels like it's happening in the same location across time. All of our images are now generated. All that is left is animating them. We need to build out our image to video prompting so that we can have optimized prompts for Flow's VO 3.1 for when we use the frames to video feature. So we need to head back to ChatGPT, and inside, we need to describe the type of structure we want the output prompts to follow. So describe what you see when you watch through our competitor's video. What I noticed and described for my prompts to focus on is gradual motion, workers moving naturally, machinery operating smoothly, camera staying locked or panning slowly. The motion needs to feel like time passing, not action happening. Once the image-to-video prompting is built, insert all your video details and image prompts alongside it. The output, frame-to-video prompts optimized for VEO 3.1. Now we need to generate the videos. Head back to Flow, switch from image generation to frame-to-video. Confirm 9:16 aspect ratio is selected. For each video, upload scene 1 in the first frame slot, scene 2 in the second frame slot. Insert the video prompt and generate. Then repeat. Scene 2 in the first slot, scene 3 in the second slot, generate. The process takes around 30 to 40 seconds per video. One thing to watch for during generation: motion smoothness. If worker movement looks unnatural or machinery jumps instead of operating fluidly, the video prompt needs slight refinement. But if the motion feels gradual and the transition between frames is seamless, the clip is locked. Download each video once they are generated. Now we need to edit everything together. The process is straightforward, but there's one decision here that affects retention more than it seems. First off, import all 8 of your scenes into CapCut. Then place them into the timeline and align them in the correct order. If there are any noticeable generation mistakes, cut them out. That's it for the visuals. Now for the sounds, we'll need to mute all of our clips and import some background music. Head over to YouTube Audio Library and search for upbeat chamber strings, epic inspirational orchestral, or neoclassical strings. Those 3 genres is what we are aiming for, as it matches the same vibe our competitors are using. And they work because the music escalates alongside the construction progression. The track I am using here is Beautiful Inspiring Strings. Import the music, align it to the visuals, and make sure major construction milestones, foundation complete, walls up, roof installed, land on musical buildups. That alignment is what makes the video feel cinematic instead of mechanical. Then give everything a watch through and export. What you just watched is one repeatable workflow, and it works. But if you're still piecing this together video by video, niche by niche, you're doing what keeps most creators stuck, trying to figure it out alone. Every time you test something new without a system behind it, you slow your own growth. You hesitate more, you overthink more, you restart more, and momentum dies quietly. Creator OS exists so that doesn't happen. So when a format works, you scale it. When a niche shows promise, you expand it. When something underperforms, you know exactly what to fix next. No guessing, no rebuilding, no starting from zero. If you're serious about building a faceless channel that actually makes money, not just producing content for views, stop trying to figure it out. Check out Creator OS below. Click the first link in the description or pinned comment. Also, the video we created will begin playing shortly, so stay to watch what we created. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.